I'm Veronica.
Hi, I'm Grace.
And welcome back to another edition of Rosie Makes, where we
Today we're going to make snow!
And to make snow, you need two ingredients, main ingredients. You need baking soda. We're going to be baking cakes from formula. And shaving cream. We are not going to use this today.
Fill the whole entire bottom of whatever you're mixing with shaving cream. Excuse me.
I love this stuff. Step 2 is when you have your snow, well, shaving cream, evenly spread across the bottom. You get your baking soda and put an evenly shower of it over the shaving cream. We got to get messy and mix it in with our hands.
Yeah, baby!
You're gonna have to play around with the consistency. Right now, I definitely need more baking soda. And it can get pretty messy, so you might want a plastic sheet over your table. Otherwise, you're gonna have to be cleaning up stains, and you don't like having to clean up, I'm supposing. It's so soft too, and creamy. Bryce, is yours cold?
Yes, freezing cold.
Mine's also cold too. You know that's because of the chemical reaction. When the stuff mixes together, and it releases energy, which makes it feel cold.
You need the right consistency to form a snowball.
Needs more.
And I don't have the right consistency. It's right too creamy and bloppy.
When your consistency is right, you should be able to form a snowball. Although, note, it may be a bit tricky, but just keep going until you get it right. Okay, push,
Ta-da!
squeeze.
My creamy blobbing.
You want to build a snowman?
Okay, yes, I have enough. Wanna build a snowman?
Inspired by Miranda Hall.
You'd like to
Build a snowman. Ah, my masterable
What's more?
And shaving cream, we were able to make a chemical reaction that made one of my favorite things, snow!
Now we will make snow cakes.
Do you remember in Snack Time Science on Monday when I mixed the baking soda and the vinegar to make bubbles? Well, we are going to make an eruption with this snow. And first of all, I'm going to say sorry. Whoa! It's fizzy!
Recordancy.
We're actually recording. I hope you have an awesome winter break. Everyone.
And help you get snow because humorous clouds are blowing in. We might have snow on Monday if you're in the right spot.
Well,
Thank you, Rosie, weather reporting.
if you don't get snow, always make some at home with a chemical reaction. And check out more. Subscribe to this video to find more Rosie fun interviews, videos, science activities.
We can do it.
One thing. We can do it!